Welcome to the My Favorite 3 Sage Intacct tip series. My goal with these quick videos is to teach, guide, empower, and educate. In this video, I'll share 3 of my favorite hidden functions in Intacct. My name is Irene Bushnell, and I'm a senior manager with Armanino, and I truly enjoy teaching. I hope you learned something new from this quick video that will help make your data entry in Intacct more efficient. Note that this presentation was created in Sage Intacct 2020, Release 2. Let's get started. My favorite hidden function number 1, the Popup Calculator. Did you know that almost every amount field has a Popup Calculator? That's right. Simply type the first number and then press any of the math buttons on your keyboard and up pops the calculator. Once your calculation is ready, press Enter and the amount calculated will fill in the field. Let's take a look in Intacct. Let's say you get a bill from a vendor that has multiple lines, and you need to add a couple of those lines together to code in Intacct. In the AP bill screen, in the transaction amount field, enter in the first number in your amount field, then press the plus key and up pops the calculator. Enter in the second amount, plus again if you need a third amount, and when you're done, simply press Enter and the amount is populated in the field. Or maybe you need to enter in a discount for a customer. Again, enter in the first amount, press the times key, and because this is a discount, I'm going to do times minus 3% to give a discount. The Popup Calculator is available in almost every amount field in Sage Intacct. I hope you're using it or will start using it now. My favorite hidden function number 2 is changing the default contact for AP bills email notification. This feature allows you to have the same contact email for any user who's selecting an AP bill. In Intacct, at the top level, let's go to Accounts Payable, Setup, and then Configuration. Scroll down to your payment approval settings. If it's not turned on, that's okay. Go ahead and turn it on because this little feature is hidden under the payment approval settings. Once we turn it on, we can scroll down and you'll see you now have the option to send payment notifications from and pick a specific contact. Enter the information in, and if you're not using AP approvals, go ahead and just uncheck it. Intacct indicates that we'll erase all level amounts. That's okay because it is going to save that contact setting that you entered. Click on Save, and the next time any of your users go into Select Bills to Pay, that default contact record will be used on the Pay Bill screen. An awesome, nice feature that is hidden down under AP approvals. My favorite hidden function number 3 is Inception to Date reporting. If you've ever needed to run a report from the beginning of your data in Sage Intacct, or you want to see all records for a particular customer or vendor, you have to pick the date that you want in the reporting periods. The Inception to Date option will give you everything since the beginning of time for the transactions that you're entering. You may not see that field if it's not been turned on. Let's go into Intacct, Reports, Setup, and System Reporting Periods. You'll need to include the Inactive checkbox, and then scroll down and you can activate Inception to Current Month and Inception to Date. Click on Activate, say OK to the pop-up. If you want both of those, go ahead and click Activate again. Again, say OK. Now, if you'd like to run a ledger for a customer, for example, and you want to see all transactions for the customer, you don't have to know what the date is for the beginning transaction. Click in the time period, enter in an I, and you'll have your Inception to Date and Inception to Current Month fields. Go ahead and select your customer. View your report, and there you have it. All of the transactions since the beginning of time for that particular customer. It's a nice feature that is hidden if you have not activated it. I hope this video has been helpful and you found a new feature to use in Intacct. Check out our Technology Academy for in-depth hands-on classes and informational webinars that educate and empower users in all areas of Sage Intacct. Thanks for watching.